Hi, today is 20th April 2020. Welcome to my balcony garden in Kuala Lumpur, where I plant some herbs and some plants for our edible consumption. But today I'd like to show you how to make compost. Previously I made compost using this contraption on the left, but it's a bit messy because the liquid that flows out on the tray is smelly. And now I'd like to show you a simpler, easier to make compost bins using a 9-liter mineral water bottle like the one on the left. First you cut the bottom out, which will become the lid. Then you punch 3 holes on the cap. Sometimes I use a soldering iron, a drill, or you can use a hot old screwdriver to punch the hole. Then find a suitable container like this one to be the base to collect the liquid, and then you place it on. I collect vegetables and fruit peels, except for eggshell. They are all vegetables. I do not compost meat because it's very smelly and take a long time. This is one bin that I've collected since the beginning of April. It's only about 1 month, and see, I've collected some black liquid, which is a very good fertilizer. You dilute this at the ratio of 1:20 and water on your plants. And the next bin here is one that I have already composted for over the month of March. That is last month, and you see it's already starting to turn black. So when your bin is full, keep it for 3 months, and then you will get this black soil-like compost, which you can add to your soil as a good compost for your potted plants. So if you like this video, please subscribe to Simon360 and hit the like button. And thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye.